Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing our world. It's time to embrace this change. Understanding AI is crucial for everyone, not just tech experts. This knowledge empowers you to navigate the future successfully. AI is no longer science fiction, it's here and now. From personalized recommendations to medical breakthroughs, AI is impacting every aspect of our lives. This technology is transforming industries, creating new jobs, and redefining possibilities. The AI revolution presents both challenges and opportunities. By understanding AI, we can harness its potential while mitigating its risks. This knowledge gap can be bridged through accessible education. Microsoft and LinkedIn have partnered to offer a range of free AI courses. These courses cater to all levels, from beginners to those seeking advanced knowledge. This collaboration makes high-quality AI education accessible to everyone, democratizing this transformative technology. These courses cover a wide array of AI topics. Learn about the basics of AI, explore machine learning, and delve into the ethical considerations surrounding this technology. The courses are designed to be engaging and easy to understand, making learning enjoyable. Upon completion, you'll receive a professional certificate from LinkedIn. This valuable credential can enhance your career prospects in an increasingly AI-driven job market. The courses are self-paced, allowing you to learn at your own convenience. AI is not just for scientists and engineers, it's already part of our daily routines. Consider virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. These AI-powered tools help us with tasks, answer questions, and even tell jokes. AI makes our lives easier and more efficient. Another example is personalized recommendations on streaming services like Netflix. AI algorithms analyze your viewing habits and suggest movies and shows you might enjoy. AI curates our entertainment, making it more engaging. AI is also transforming healthcare. From diagnosing diseases to developing new treatments, AI is revolutionizing patient care. AI-powered medical devices are improving accuracy and speed in diagnosis and treatment. As AI becomes more powerful, it's crucial to consider its ethical implications. The Microsoft and LinkedIn AI courses address this vital aspect. Learn about bias in algorithms and the importance of responsible AI development. These courses emphasize the need for fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. Understanding these ethical dimensions is crucial for ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity. Ethical considerations are paramount in AI development and deployment. The courses provide practical guidance on identifying and mitigating potential ethical risks. Learn how to design and implement AI systems that are fair, unbiased, and beneficial to society. Responsible AI development is crucial for a positive future. Some people fear AI, associating it with job displacement and loss of control. While these concerns are understandable, they are often overblown. AI is a tool that can augment human capabilities, not replace us entirely. Understanding AI empowers us to adapt to the changing job market. By acquiring AI skills, we can position ourselves for new opportunities. AI will create new jobs and redefine existing ones. Moreover, AI can free us from mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on more creative and fulfilling work. Embrace AI as a tool for enhancing productivity and creativity. The future is AI-powered, and the best time to start learning is now. Microsoft and LinkedIn's free AI courses provide an incredible opportunity to embark on your AI learning journey. Don't miss out on this chance to enhance your knowledge and skills. These following are the list of courses. The very first course is Generative AI, the evolution of thoughtful online search. Next one is Generative AI and Ethics. No prior experience with AI is required. Take advantage of these resources and position yourself for success in the age of AI. Learning about AI is not just about acquiring technical skills. It's about understanding the transformative power of this technology. Join the AI revolution and shape the future. All the links are in description. Do check it out. If you found the content useful, please like, share, and subscribe, and follow us for more content.